what's up, guys? So here I have is a Nintendo Switch, and I want to replace my SD plug. Okay, so decided to get this one right here. Comes with everything you need. So you get two Phillips sizes heads, and you get the SD replacement slot. You can see here. Okay, so let's get together and do it. So in order to replace it, you have to take all these screws out. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have another 5 in the other side. You have these two. You have one on top. So we'll take all that out and we'll go from there. Okay, so we have it all off. Take my SD card out. Have these four. Okay, so I had a little messed up screw here. I'm using a Torx. Seemed like the person I brought this from did try to open it but couldn't get it out. Okay, so this one right here I will need to replace. And final, you take this little screw off. Okay, so this cover should come right off. There you go. So this is the SD card I want to replace. This is it. Okay, so now it's time to replace. So you have this little thing right here. We have to take it out. Get like a tweezer or something. That's just where your plug goes. Okay, take this off, you save it. And now take your plug off. You see it comes right off, no issues. So now we're gonna take this one little screw off. Okay, and your SD card slot will come off. So always like to compare. Pretty good. This one look a little old already. Okay, so we put the new one in. Put your pin in first. Clipped. Everything lines up perfect. Okay, get your screw again. Okay, that is on. So that is the replacement. So now basically you put everything back together. You know, you put your cover back on. You put everything back together and you're all set. Easy replacement. Nintendo did try to charge me $100 to do that. So I decided to do it myself. Awesome, easy, and quick.